Welcome to maths class. Today we are going to learn about division of polynomial. Last year we have studied how to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication or algebraic expression. Let's recall few of them. First is addition algebraic expression, that is 2a plus 3a. 2a plus 3a is equal to 5a. Yes, here we used addition operation. Now let's see some other algebraic expression, that is 7b minus 4b. Here 7b minus 4b, this is also an algebraic expression, but here we have to use subtraction operation. So 7b minus 4b, that is equal to 3b. Now let's take some other expression, that is 3p multiplied by p squared. Here you can see 3p is multiplied by p square. As you know that here p square, there is no number, that means there is an invisible one. So 3 ones are 3, p square multiplied by p, that is p cube. So 3p multiplied by p square, that is equal to 3p cube. Here we used multiplication operation. Now let's see the last one. 5m square multiplied by 3m square. Again multiplication operation. So 5 3s are 15, m square. So here we use addition. For multiplication we use addition operation. For division we use subtraction operation. So 5m square multiplied by 3m square, that is equal to 5 3s are 15, and m square plus m square, that is equal to m power 4. Or we can say 15m raised to 4. So here these all are very basic algebraic expression. Now let's learn more about polynomial. If index of each term of an algebraic expression in one variable is a whole number, then the expression is said to be a polynomial. Let's take few examples. Here x square plus 2x plus 3. Three terms are given. That means it is a trinomial. Polynomial which type? It is a trinomial type. Now here, as you can see here, here one variable is there. So x is the only single variable, because x square plus 2x plus 3. X is the single variable, that means one variable, and here highest degree is square. So x square plus 2x plus 3 is a one variable of polynomial, so highest degree is square. Now let's take the other example. 3y square plus 2y square plus y plus 5. Here highest degree is square and one variable is y. Is that clear, my dear students? So now in here this is a kind of a polynomial. Now polynomial are a specific algebraic expression, hence the operation of an addition, subtraction and multiplication on polynomial are similar. This perform on algebraic expression. Now let's solve practice set 10.1. Let's solve chapter number 10, division of polynomial. Question number 1. So here practice set 10.1, question number 1 says that divide, write the quotient and remainder. So here first sums. 21m square divided by 7m. Here this 21m square is our numerator and this 7 is the denominator. So 21m square divided by 7m. So 21m square is the numerator and 7m is the denominator. After this 7, here you have to divide this two number. But before that, you have to check where this 21 come. Okay, so 3 7s are 21. So here 3 multiplied by 7 multiplied by m into m, which give us m square. So 3 7s are 21, m into m is m square. So 21m square. Now denominator is 7m, as it is 7 multiplied by m. Here the relationship between 7m is multiplication. 7 multiplied by m is 7m. 21m square relation is 3 into 7 into m. That means 3 7s are 21, m into m square. That means 21m square. After this, the common term get cancelled. So 7 numerator and denominator get cancelled. After that, common this m get cancelled. Okay, again get cancelled. So now here only we have here remaining numerator, that is 3 multiplied by m, that is 3m. So that is called as quotient. Okay, so 3m is the quotient, and here quotient is 3m and remainder is 0. So here our final answer is quotient 3m and remainder 0. So my dear students, in this way we have completed question number 1, sub question 1. Now let's solve sub question 2 of practice set 10.1. Now here sub question 2 says that 48 cube divided by minus 10a. Here 48 cube is the numerator. This 48 cube is the numerator and minus 10a is the denominator. So here solution would be like this. 48 cube is the numerator and minus 10a is the denominator. Now after this we have to check 40 जो है वो 10 के टेबल में कब डिवाइड हो सकता है. So as you know that 10 multiplied by 4. After multiplying this 10 by 4 we get here 40. So 10 into 4 and a into a into a. Okay. So here minus 4 minus 10, because minus minus will become plus. So minus 4 into minus 10a multiplied by a square. So here a square multiplied by a, which give us a cube, and here denominator will be as it is, that is minus 10a. Okay, so denominator is minus 10a. After this, now here common numerator and common denominator get cancelled. Here common is minus 10a. So this common term get cancelled. After this, minus 4 multiplied by a square. That means 4 into a is 4 into a square is 4a square. So here minus 4a square is our quotient. So quotient is minus 4a square and remainder is 0. So our final answer is quotient is equal to minus 4a square and remainder is 0. So in this way we have completed question number 2. Let's solve question number 3 of practice set 10.1, that is minus 48p power 4 divided by minus 9p square. Here minus 48p4 will be the numerator and minus 9p square will be the denominator. Okay, both these number get divided, and here we have to find quotient and remainder. So here we will write solution. Okay, after this minus 48p power 4 is the numerator and here minus 9p is the denominator. After this, now here minus 48p power 4, the relationship between them is multiplication. So minus 48 multiplied by p square multiplied by p square, because here we are finding common denominator and common numerator, because common numerator and common denominator get cancelled. For that we have to take like this 48 p square multiplied by p square. So minus 48 multiplied by p square into p square, minus 48 p square multiplied by p square divide by minus 9p square as it is. It will remain as it is. So minus 9 multiplied by p square. Okay, minus 9p square. So here 9, we will divide these two number. So 9 ones are 9. No, 3 threes are 9 and 3 multiplied by 16 we get here 48. So both this number divide by 3. So 3 threes are 9 and 3 16s are 48. Both this number get divided by 3. Okay, so here 3p square. Okay, so here this p square get cancelled and this p square get cancelled. So here p square get cancelled. So here we will get 3. Okay, so here we will put simply 3 because p square get cancelled with this. Okay, common term get cancelled here. So p square get cancelled. Now 3 threes are 9 and 3 16s are 48. Okay, 16s are 40 and this p square come here. this p square comes here and this p square get cancelled. So here numerator is 16p square and denominator is 3. That means here quotient is 16p square upon 3 and remainder is 0. So our answer is 16p square upon 3. So quotient is 16p square upon 3 and remainder is equal to 0. Is that clear, my dear students? So in this way we have completed sub-question 3 of practice set 10.1. So let's solve sub-question 4. Let's solve question number 4. 40m raised to 5 divided by 30m cube. Here 40m raised to 5 is the numerator and 30m cube is the denominator. Simply we have to divide these two terms. So 40m power 5, or we can say 40m raised to 5 divided by 30m cube. So here solution, divide like this, 40m raised to power 5, here denominator is 30m cube. After this we have to divide these two terms. So 40 multiplied by m into m into m. So we can take like this, m square multiplied by m cube, because here again we have to take a common numerator and common denominator. See here m cube is given, denominator m cube is given. So same thing we will take here, numerator. Okay. So 40 multiplied by m square multiplied by m cube. Okay. Or we can take 40 m square multiplied by m cube divide by 30 m cube. Okay. So here 4 into 10. 4 tens are 40. 10 m cube multiplied by m square. Okay. Here you can see m cube is given. So 4 into 10 m cube multiplied by m square, because m cube plus m square which give us m power 5. Okay. Or we can say m raised to 5, because 3 plus 2 is 5. So 4 tens are 40 multiplied by invisible 1. 40 ones are 40, m cube plus m square which give us m raised to 5. So now here 30 m cube. So it will remain as it is. So 30, 3 into 10. 3 tens are 30. 3 into 10. 3 tens are 30 m cube. 30 m cube. Now here most important, common numerator and common denominator get cancelled. So here 10 m cube is the common for both numerator as well as denominator. So cancel this two terms. Okay. So 10 m cube from numerator and 10 m cube from denominator. Both this number get cancelled. After this, 4 multiplied by m square which give us 4m square and denominator is 3. After cancelling this 3m square we get here denominator. After cancelling this 10m cube. Okay. After cancelling this 10m cube we get denominator 3. And 4 multiplied by m square is 4m square. So numerator is 4m square and denominator is 3. So 4m square, denominator is 3. So 4m square upon 3 is the quotient and remainder is 0. So here answer is, quotient is 4m square upon 3. Quotient is 4m square upon 3 and remainder is 0. So simply here we will write answer. Quotient is equal to 4m square upon 3 and remainder is equal to 0. So my dear students, in this way we have completed sub-question 4 practice set 10.1. Now let's solve sub-question 5. Let's solve question number 5, that is 5x cube minus 3x square divided by x square. Now here you can see here 5x cube minus 3x square is the numerator and denominator is x square. Okay, so here we have to divide these terms. So as you know that this is a binomial, because 5x cube minus 3x square is the binomial term and here x square is the monomial. So simply we have to divide this. So here we will write solution. 5x cube minus 3x square is the numerator and x square is the denominator. Here you can see this x square is the denominator and 5x cube minus 3x square is the numerator. Now simply here we have to divide this. Okay, so numerator and denominator, first we will see the common term so that we can cancel it. So here 5x cube minus 3x square. After this, x square come outside the bracket. Okay, this x square comes outside the bracket. Now here there is no number, that means here invisible 1 is there. So 1 multiplied by 5 is 5. X square multiplied by x, which give us x cube. X square multiplied by x give us x cube. X power cube. Okay, power 3 minus 3. How? Because this 3 come here. So here no number is there, that means here invisible 1. So 1 5 is a 5. X square multiplied by x, which give us x cube. Now here minus ka sign as it is. Now here 1 3 is a 3 and x square is already outside the bracket. That means no need to put inside the bracket. Okay. And here x square remain as it is. So here x square. Now here x square and x square get cancelled. X square and x square common term get cancelled. So common numerator and common denominator get cancelled. So x square and x square get cancelled. And after this, here we can see this numerator 5x minus 3 is the question and remainder is 0. Because you can see here there is no denominator and 5x minus 3 is the question and remainder is 0. So 5x minus 3 is the final answer. As you can see here, 5x minus 3 is the question and remainder is 0. So yes, it can easily divide. So question is equal to 5x minus 3 and remainder is equal to 0. Is that clear, my dear students? Now let's solve sub question 6. Sub number 6 says that 8p cube minus 4p square divided by 2p square. So here 8p cube minus 4p square is a binomial term and 2p square is a monomial term. Simply we have to divide this and find quotient and remainder. So here in the solution 8p cube minus 4p square is the numerator and 2p square is the denominator. So here solution is equal to 8p cube minus 4p square. This is the numerator and 2p square is the denominator. Here we have to divide this numerator by denominator. So 8p cube minus 4p square जो number से divide होने वाला है वो है number 2. So here we will divide numerator by 2. So keep 2 outside the bracket. Okay, because 2 4s are 8 and 2 2s are 4. Okay, so we will keep 2 outside the bracket. We will put 2 outside the bracket. So keep the 2 outside the bracket and inside the bracket put 4p cube minus only we will put 4 because p square is already outside the bracket. So it will remain like this 2p square bracket 4p minus 2. Okay, there is no p square inside the bracket because p square is already outside the bracket. Don't put it inside, otherwise it will be wrong. So 2p square bracket 4p minus 2. So 2 4s are 8. Now p square multiplied by p, that is p cube minus ka sign. Now 2 2s are 4. P square is already outside the bracket. Okay. Now here 2p square denominator as it is. Now here the common numerator and common denominator get cancelled. So here this 2p square and this 2p square, numerator 2p square and denominator 2p square get cancelled. So here after cancelling we get here numerator, that is 4p minus 2. So 4p minus 2 is our quotient and here remainder is 0. So 4p minus 2 is the final answer. Now answer question is 4p minus 2 and remainder is 0. So question is equal to 4p minus 2p, okay, and remainder is equal to 0. Is that clear? 4p minus 2. 4p minus 2 and remainder is 0. So my dear students, in this way we have completed Sub question 6. Now let's solve last question of this practice set. Now sub number 7, 8 and 9 is homework for you. Do that sum by yourself. Now let's solve sum number 10. Question number 10 says that 25m raised to 4 minus 15m cube plus 10m plus 8 divided by 5m cube. Here you can see the bracket. Okay, this bracket is not a monomial, not binomial, not trinomial term. There are 4 terms are given. Okay, so here they are not monomial, binomial, trinomial. They are greater than trinomial. Okay, so now we have to divide all this by 5m cube. So keep 25 raised to 25m power 4 minus 15m cube plus 10m plus 8. This will be our numerator and 5m cube is the denominator. So let's start. Here solution 25m raised to 4 minus 15m cube plus 10m plus 8 numerator, and now this 5m cube is denominator. Now here we have to divide this term. Okay, but here most important thing is we have to divide all this. So make sure that you have to take such number where you get a common numerator and common denominator. So what we will do here in this case, let's see. So here first 25m raised to 4 and 15m cube and 10m plus 8. So all these 3 terms easily divide by 5. Okay, but not 8. 8 will not divide by 5. So let's see what we will do here. So here 5m easily divide by 5. So 5 5 is a 25. Okay, and then 5 3 is a 15. And now here plus 10m plus 8 will remain as it is. This 10m plus 8 will remain as it is. The last 2 term will remain as it is. But here 25m raised to 4 minus 15m cube, 5m cube outside the bracket, and inside the bracket we will put 5m minus 3. Now here 5 5 is a 25, m cube multiply by m which gives us m4 minus 5 3 is a 15. M cube is already outside the bracket. So no need to put m cube inside the bracket. Otherwise it will become wrong. So plus 10m plus 8 will remain as it is. Now here 5m cube denominator will remain as it is. Now we will cut common numerator and common denominator. So here 5m cube is the common numerator and common denominator. So both this term get cancelled. So here you can cut this. Okay, so here 5m minus 3 plus 10m plus 8, 5m cube as it is. Now here we have to do separation because 5m cube is the here this denominator 5m cube. We will separate this 2 term. So 5m minus 3 is the first term and 10m plus 8 is the second term. So here this 5m cube, we will separate this. So give 5m cube for first term and give 5m cube for the second term. So here we will write like this: 5m cube bracket 5m minus 3 and denominator is 5m cube plus 10m plus 8 denominator is 5m cube. Okay, so give 5m cube twice here like this. Okay, 5m cube outside the bracket because this 5m cube is only for first bracket, not for second bracket. That is why we separate both the terms. Now here common term get cancelled. So here 5m cube and 5m cube get cancelled. Okay, so after cancelling this term, common denominator and common numerator, we get here 5m minus 3. So 5m minus 3 is our quotient. Okay, and now this 10m plus 8 upon 5m cube is the remainder. Okay, why? Because you can see here both this term cannot be divided. Okay, here 5m cube is there and here 10m, it cannot be divided. Okay, why? Because इसका जो power है वो 3 है और इसका power जो है वो invisible 1 है. That means ये divide नहीं हो सकता है. या 5 divide हो सकता है, but m cube और m का relation ऐसा है कि ये divide नहीं हो सकता. अगर यहाँ पर भी cube होता तो वो easily divide कर सकते थे, but यहाँ पर क्यूब नहीं है. दैट मीन्स ये एज इट इज रहेगा. इज दैट क्लियर? सो दिस विल बी द रिमाइंडर. and 5m minus 3 is the question. Is that clear? So here 5m minus 3 plus 10m plus 8 upon 5m cube. So this is the question and this is the question and this is the remainder. So here question is 5m minus 3 and remainder is 10m plus 8 upon 5m cube. Is that clear? So this is remainder and this is question. So in this way we have completed practice set 10.1.